Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Kali Emacs with Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a default feature available in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to go to Kali Emacs website, get Kali. You get Kali. Then you have to install you have to download the virtual machine. Uh, Here we would find option for Hyper-V. I actually downloaded the torrent version, so I can if you will be using torrent, you can get files quickly. So here we go. Uh, I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna go and unzip it. Here's open destination for. Okay, so I'm gonna open the folder on. I'm gonna put it unzip my files. Okay, I'm pausing the video so I can get my files unzipped. Finally, we are done. So let's find. Okay, so then you have to go to Hyper-V. You just have to search for Hyper-V Manager in the Windows. Let me know if you can't find Hyper-V Manager option. So I will do a video to how to enable the Hyper-V. Let me find my file where I have unzipped. And where is it? Where is Yeah, I found it. So you just have to run install vm.bat5. What it gonna do, it gonna install the configurations for your virtual machine so you can easily access it in the Hyper-V manager. See, your Kali Linux is ready. So then you have to go to Hyper-V managers and run the virtual machine that that you have configured right now. You have to connect the virtual machine. So after you click the connect, your virtual machine will get started. There we go. We are in. Thank you so much for watching video. Uh, here you can see I have successfully installed Kali Linux in my Windows without any virtualization software like Bots and all. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna create more videos like this. Thank you.